So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you this great anti-inflammatory smoothie, and I know you are going to love it. So for this video, we'll be needing a whole watermelon. So as you can see, I'm already cutting this watermelon so as to cut them into smaller sizes. So guys, for this recipe, I'll be using various anti-inflammatory items just to boost the level of anti-inflammatory benefits in this smoothie. So we'll be needing ginger. We all know ginger has great anti-inflammatory benefits. We have here frozen strawberries, we have chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, and avocado. All these have great anti-inflammatory benefits. So I ended up putting everything in my blender. And I blended without water because the watermelon already has enough water in it. So at this point, I had to add my avocado and blend it just to get it mixed with other ingredients. So as you can see, this smoothie is ready and looks so appetizing. The amazing part of this smoothie is that it has great anti-inflammatory benefits. As I've already said, all the items used in this video have high level of anti-inflammatory benefits. So if you are having problem or you're having issues with inflammation, I tell you this smoothie can replace your breakfast. And if you continue taking it, you can slow down your inflammation to a reasonable level. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends and families, turn on the notification for upcoming videos. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.